I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to lift Dodge Charger with jack. Park on level ground and engage the parking brake before you begin. First, locate the correct jack points near the pinch welds and center jacking point. Then, chalk wheels opposite the lift and loosen lug nuts slightly if removing a wheel. Next, position the jack and raise slowly until the frame clears, then place jack stands for secure support. In this video, I will show how to lift Dodge Charger with jack. Start by identifying factory designated jack points near the rocker panel and the central subframe. Clean the contact area so the jack sits flat and won't slip, then position a rubber pad if you have one for added protection. Be deliberate and double-check alignment before you begin raising the vehicle so you maintain stability and avoid accidental damage. In this video, I will show how to lift Dodge Charger with jack. Lift gradually and stop frequently to inspect jack and contact points for any shifting. After reaching desired height, position 2 jack stands under sturdy frame mounts and lower the car until it rests firmly on the stands. Tug the vehicle gently to confirm stability and keep wheel chocks in place. This careful, steady approach keeps you safe while working underneath the Charger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.